Hello guys, in this video we're gonna see how to start hotshot trucking. Before, you gotta see the startup costs. You need truck and trailer purchase or lease, insurance premiums, licensing and permits, fuel and maintenance, equipment and supplies, business registration, working capital for at least the first few months. Now, let's choose the right equipment. You'll need a medium-duty truck, class 3 to 5. Popular models include Ford F-350, Chevy Silverado, or Ram. Look for durability, towing and capacity, and fuel efficiency. Now, let's get your licenses and permits. You need several licenses and registrations to prepare legally. You need valid driver's license, DOT physical and medical card, US DOT number, MC number, IRP tag, and IFTA decal. To set up your business, for legal and financial setup, you need to choose a business structure. LLC is common for hotshot drivers. Register your business and apply for an EEIN from the IRS. Now open a business bank account and use accounting software like QuickBooks. Insurance is non-negotiable in this business. Get coverage from providers that specialize in commercial trucking, like must-have insurance including commercial auto liability, cargo insurance, physical damage coverage, bobtail insurance when driving without a load, and occupational accident insurance. Now, you need to invest in essential equipment. Here's what else you'll need to operate efficiency. You need securement gear like straps, chains, blinders or traps, safety gear, fire extinguisher, reflective triangles, first aid kit. Also electronic login device which tracks hours of service, GPS navigation, smartphone and laptop for booking loads, maps and business. Finally, getting consistent freight is key to staying profitable. Just try to find loads, like load boards in DAT, truckstop.com or uShop. Filter specifically for hotshot loads. Work with brokers in industries like construction, oil and gas or manufacturing. Connect with local construction firms, farms and small manufacturers. And if you're just starting out, working under a larger company can help build your experience and secure steady loads. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.